Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we are making fluffy, fragrant basmati rice in the Instant Pot, because some days you just want dinner to be fancy without actually trying that hard. Basmati rice has that dreamy texture and aroma that makes it feel like you really did something special, even if you made it in your pajamas. This method is super easy, zero babysitting and totally mess-free. Let's make some rice magic. Gather these ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice, white long grain, 1 cup water or broth for extra flavor, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Rinse the rice. Put your basmati rice in a fine mesh strainer and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This step helps your rice cook up light and fluffy, not sticky or clumpy. Add to the Instant Pot. Add your rinsed rice, water or broth, salt into the Instant Pot. Give it a gentle stir. Pressure cook. Lock the lid in place and set the valve to sealing. Press pressure cook or manual and set it for 6 minutes on high pressure. Natural release. When the cooking time is up, let the Instant Pot do a natural release for 10 minutes. Then turn the valve to venting to release any remaining steam. Fluff it up. Open the lid carefully and fluff the rice with a fork. You did it. You made fancy rice in your Instant Pot. Here are some tips to help you. You can double or triple this recipe. Just keep the rice to liquid ratio at 1:1. This rice pairs beautifully with curries, roasted veggies, or anything that needs a cozy sidekick. Leftovers? Store in the fridge for up to 5 days. It reheats like a dream with a splash of water. And there you go, fluffy, beautiful basmati rice without even touching the stove. If cooking rice has ever stressed you out before, same, this method is going to be your new go-to. You can find the full written instructions down in the description. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.